PathPilot quick tips. We're going to connect PathPilot to the internet with the Wi-Fi adapter and automatically update the software. Let's show you how easy that is. So we go to the status tab and there's an internet indication here. If I click that, that's a button. Our network configuration screen is up. It shows that there's a number of different Wi-Fi networks available to connect to. And I can pick one and say connect. I would type in my password here. I've already done that because I have a long password for the Tormach one, and you can see it's enabled and connected. One thing to consider when you're looking at the different Wi-Fi network names is the signal strength. You can see here that these are all 87. It's a fairly small building, so the signal's all about the same. You really want that number to be 70 or above. 87 is really great. If you're struggling to try to get a better range, something that's often handy is a USB extension cable. So the little Wi-Fi adapter that's USB, you can plug into the end of the USB cable, optimize the placement of it, and watch the signal strength as you're putting the antenna around to maximize the number. So once it's connected, after a few seconds of it connecting, you'll see the indicator on the internet light turn green. So that's how easy it is to connect. Then I just simply go to the update button. I click update. I can check online daily for updates. So it's simply going to notify you if there's a new version. And then if I want to, I can check online, and you can see here I'm running version 2.15, but version 2.16 is available. So it tells me a little summary about that. If I want to update, it's as easy as clicking the install button. It downloads it automatically. Doesn't take very long at all. This is even not the fastest Wi-Fi. I click OK. It goes into updating, and you're already all set. If you ever need to revert back, it's as easy as going through the update screen again and picking a previous version. So trying out a new version enables exploration of new features, but then you can always revert back if you find some obstacle with it. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos up here and subscribe down here.